to the 100-second puzzle. Before we start the video, please subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. There are 3 puzzles in the video. You will get 100 seconds for finding 5 differences in each puzzle. So are you ready? Yes, you are doing good. Only 50 seconds are left. Keep focusing. The time is up. Here are the answers. Did you manage to find all? Get ready for the next one. Here is the next puzzle. This picture looks quite interesting, isn't it? Only 50 seconds are left. We know you can do it. We hope you found all 5 differences. Check out if you found them correctly. Get ready for the next one. Yes, you are doing good. Come on, only 50 seconds are left. We know you can do it. up. Here are the answers. Did you manage to find all? Thank you for watching. We hope you liked the video. To watch similar interesting videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.